All right, what if I tell you guys that the speculation and the directional bias we called for today has already played out? Well, let's get to the charts and prove that. In the morning section, remember guys, we made a speculation right from Friday last week. We started calling for buying DXY from last week Friday. If you guys look at the chart, you'll see a couple of things there. I know it might be a little bit everywhere, but I'm going to hide this and also make this bolder just for us to have it more clean. All right, I'm going to delete some of these guys so that you would see it clearly. So we made a call, all right, and we pointed out that the draw on liquidity we had on the chart is a Wednesday opening gap that was dropped last week, which is this gap. All right, which is this gap here. This gap started here, and if you pay attention, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you see Wednesday 6th 2026. That was when we saw this gap. And on Friday, which is around here, this is Friday here, all right, on Friday here we started calling for the buy. We said that market has taken enough liquidity on the downside. We expect price to drive back up to fill up that gap. That was the speculation. On Friday, price pulled back, which is part of what we expected. If you guys remember, you can go watch the video on all of our social media platform. We speculated that price will trade down first before finding that reversal setup that will take us back to that gap. On Friday, it failed, but we got the pullback. Okay, now on Monday also we speculated that price needs to get to that gap, the Wednesday gap. Remember guys, on our analysis on Monday we pointed out that we had an opening weak gap, which is this bottom rectangular line you see here, and we speculated and we said that on Monday price is meant to trade into that gap, which you saw here. We also speculated that there might be chances that they would go below it, then reverse immediately, which you can see they went below it and reversed immediately. At the time we had morning session analysis, which you can go to our social media platforms and you see the video right there. For record purpose, price was trading around this point here. At the time we made the video in the morning, that was around 6 or so. So price was trading around here. And I said that we are still bullish on DXY. We expect DXY to fill up that Wednesday gap. And after filling up this Wednesday gap, that's the only time we can now decide to look for something else in the market. Because I remember I said the draw on liquidity was that Wednesday gap. And as you guys can see throughout today, this was around 6 o'clock here. At the time we made the video was around 6 o'clock, which was around here. And you can see throughout the whole day price has pretty much been trading up, and right now you can see price is filling up those gaps, and this is the gap from the Wednesday opening day gap. Just wanted to do this update for you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. We do everyday speculation of what we think market is going to do. Remember what I told you guys, we pay attention on DXY because if we understand what DXY is doing, we already know what other guys are doing. I don't need to look at Euro USD, but I need to see what DXY is doing, and from what DXY is doing I can pretty much point out that Euro has been selling throughout today. And if I go to the Euro chart, you'll see it right there. You can see pretty much Euro have been selling throughout the whole day. Hope I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, take care and be careful out there. Happy trading guys. See you guys tomorrow for the next directional bias for Wednesday. Today was a good day, and I hope it was good to you too. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.